Hey everyone! Welcome back to Epic Life Explorer, where we share the latest tips and tricks for passionate entrepreneurs. I'm here to help you, and today we're diving into a hot topic: how to start a business on Amazon. If you're looking to tap into the vast Amazon marketplace, this video is for you. We'll explore the different business models you can use and weigh the pros and cons of each. Let's get started. Amazon offers several business models for sellers. Let's break them down. With retail arbitrage, you buy discounted products from retail stores and sell them on Amazon. It's great for beginners but can be quite labor-intensive. Pros include low startup cost and it's easy to start. However, the cons are that it's time-consuming and has limited scalability. Wholesale involves buying products in bulk from manufacturers or distributors and selling them on Amazon. This model can lead to significant profits but requires a larger initial investment. Pros are that it's scalable and gives you access to popular brands. The cons, however, include a higher upfront investment and competition with other sellers. Private label. This approach comes with its own set of pros and cons. First, the pros: high profit margins and brand control, which can be crucial in establishing a unique presence in the market. Now, the cons: it requires significant branding efforts and generally involves higher initial costs. With private labeling, you create your own brand by sourcing generic products and selling them under your label. This model offers great potential for growth but needs effective branding. Dropshipping offers a unique business model with its own set of pros and cons. On the plus side, it has low overhead costs and no inventory management, which makes it quite appealing. However, it also comes with lower profit margins and a heavy reliance on suppliers. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. When a customer orders, the supplier ships directly to them. It's low risk but often comes with lower margins. The handmade model is perfect for artisans and creators. Its pros include offering unique products and being passion-driven, which can be a huge draw for a specific market. However, the cons are its limited scalability and the fact that it's time-intensive. You sell your handcrafted items directly on Amazon. It's a great way to turn your passion into profit, but can be hard to scale. Print on demand is another intriguing option. It allows for no inventory and offers customizable products, which can be a significant advantage. On the downside, it involves longer shipping times and lower profit margins. Print on demand lets you create custom designs for products like t-shirts or mugs, which are only produced when an order is placed. It's a low-risk way to sell unique products but can have longer delivery times. And there you have it. 6 business models to kickstart your Amazon journey. Each has its own set of advantages and challenges, so choose the one that aligns best with your goals and resources. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more entrepreneurial tips. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.